Welcome to Discover Agriculture. In today's video, we'll be exploring the fascinating world of rabbit farming. Whether you're looking to raise rabbits for meat, fur, or as pets, rabbit farming can be a rewarding and profitable venture. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide on how to get started. First, it's essential to choose the right breed of rabbits. Different breeds are suited for different purposes. Meat production. New Zealand White, Californian. For production. Rex, Angora. Pets. Dutch, Mini Rex. Each breed has its characteristics, so research carefully based on your goal. Next, create a comfortable and safe housing environment. Rabbits are sensitive creatures, so their hutches should be well ventilated, spacious, and secure from predators. Be sure to keep their living area clean to avoid any health issues. A balanced diet is crucial for healthy rabbit growth. Rabbits mainly feed on hay, pellets, fresh vegetables, and water. Ensure you're providing a diet high in fiber to keep their digestive system running smoothly. Once your rabbits are settled, breeding them can increase your herd. Female rabbits, called does, can reproduce frequently, but you should allow them time to recover between litters. Understand the reproductive cycle to plan your breeding program effectively. Like any livestock, rabbits need regular care and checkups to prevent diseases. It's essential to vaccinate them and maintain hygiene to avoid common issues like respiratory infections or parasite infestations. Rabbit farming can be both enjoyable and profitable if done correctly. From choosing the right breed to maintaining proper health care, each step ensures a successful farming journey. Stay tuned to Discover Agriculture for more helpful tips and insights. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.